Direct replacement. This windshield wiper linkage matches the fit and function of the original equipment linkage on specified vehicles. Restores performance. Fixes a failed crank arm to restore wiper blade operation. Application-specific. Reverse engineered from the original design on certain vehicle years, makes and models. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of engineers and quality specialists in the United States. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the Amazon garage. This replacement windshield wiper linkage has been engineered to match the function and performance of the original linkage on select vehicle years, makes and models to restore wiper operation. Top reviews from the United States. Exact replacement for OE. Would have liked to see instructions on how to properly align the arm on the electric motor so the wipers function properly. Other than that, I am very happy with the product.